Creating a YouTube banner can get a little frustrating when you're constantly playing around with the layouts and the sizes. I'm going to show you 8 simple steps that will help you get your banner ready in no time. Step 1. Open up Google and search for YouTube banner template. Click on one of the images and download this onto your phone using your download features. For me, I just need to tap on the image and click on download. Step 2. Install and open Canva and scroll over to the YouTube channel art template. Now at this point you might be tempted to browse through the hundreds of templates that are shown here, but don't bother. Instead, just open up a blank template. Before I continue, I just want to remind you guys to please give this video a like, hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell. Once you have your blank template, step 3 will be to click on the plus sign and insert your YouTube banner template that you downloaded and saved to your photos. Clicking on the plus sign will take you to step 4, and that will be to insert the text. Now again, you may be tempted to scroll through all of these fonts, but honestly don't bother, because if you insert one of these, you're going to be spending ages deleting all of the unnecessary text boxes. Once you've added your text, then just pick a color so that you can read it and see how you're going to place it. I'm just going to pick white, and this is the box that you need to make sure that you stay in. It's the dark gray box. So I'm just going to move this around, and I'm going to make sure to keep it within this little area here. And if I go outside of this area, then what's going to happen is on my mobile device it's going to look like this. It's going to get cut off. Step 5 will be to insert either a photo image or a clip art image, and since I'm doing a kids theme, I'm just going to search kids, and I'm going to click on this little icon here on the right, and I'm going to filter it so that I can see only the free images. Just close this pop-up window. I'm just going to browse through all of these and just pick one that I like. Clicking on the plus sign will now take you to step 6. And here you're going to click on the images tab, and then you're going to either type in abstract or background and filter your results to the free images. Just close the pop-up window and pick a background that you like or that's in line with your channel. I'm just going to pick this blue one here. And now in step 7 is where you start to play around with your fonts and your colors, and so this is probably the step that you're going to be spending a lot of time on, trying to make it look really good. And once you're happy with it, then you'll just click on the done button in the top left corner, and your final step 8, and that will be to click on the top right button and save the file to images. And here's just a few other examples. You just want to make sure to remember to keep your text and logo and pictures or photos all within the central area of the template. And this is what it will look like across all of your devices.